Guys, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Narayan. So guys, today's random talk about was this phone case cover. So guys, today I am talking in English for this phone cover case. So guys, I buy this cover from online just 200 rupees, and this cover was almost run with me around 1.5 years. This cover build quality was very good, and this cover is also look like this is a front of this cover, and this is a back of this cover. This I find this cover in Amazon through a advertisement in showing my Instagram account, and suddenly then I click the ad, and then I redirect the Instagram account to the Amazon account. Then the Amazon account show me this case price and this case review. So I tick on the review section, and there was a very good review, 4-star rating, 5-star rating, and saying good review of this case. So I buy through the Amazon from Amazon to cash. I buy to the Amazon cash on delivery. So I just press buy now this case. So then the page redirect me some my details that following given by me to where deliver this case. So I entered my delivery detail, and then I press next and proceed button. Then I click proceed button. Then the page redirect me to the payment section. There was a 3 to 4 option to payment online, phone pay, net banking, and other option UPI, and I just click cash on delivery option. The cash on delivery option charge some money extra to manage our cash dealing. So I click the cash on delivery. They charge me 2 and 3 rupees extra to manage cash handling fees. So I click this and continue to proceed. Then 2 and 5 days ago, the case was the phone cover case was delivered in my house. The delivery agent called me and asking, where are you, sir? Your delivery parcel is here. So I am request the delivery agent to the please give me, I am out of the home, so please give the case to my home member. I call my home member and say them, please give that amount was 200 and something rupees to the delivery agent and receive my parcel. So my little sister was go outside the home, and the delivery agent was recently come with her. They give parcel with my sister, and my sister give 203 rupees to delivery agent, and then the parcel then my sister took the parcel and enter the home, and some time back I come home 2 and 3 hours, and I ask my little sister, where is my parcel? My little sister give me the parcel to me, and then I open the parcel. First, the parcel covering a case safety was very fantastic. The parcel was covered 2 and 3 layers of plastic and some cardboard and some other material that is safe for the parcel delivery. So I unwrapped the all things and remove and took the parcel and check that parcel to attach my phone to this is a fit to my phone or not. So the case was completely fine and fit in my to my phone, and then I was very happy, and I also give this case rating 5. And now 1.5 year back, this case quality was also now good, but some little issue are showing in this case. There was a scratches here, there was a skin that peel off sometimes. So some drawbacks are showing in this case here, and some other drawbacks was this case magnet. This case magnet was good, but the cover was very thin after some times, and the magnet come out from the cover. So I buy a Febiquick 5 rupees and drop some Febiquick liquid, so the skin was solid again, and the magnet was completely fine. And you see some scratches are there, they are the magnet scratch from the case. So this is some drawbacks of this case. Now guys, this that is end of the talking of the phone cover case. Now I am reading the word power made easy book. So let's start. Previously I am read the chapter 1, so I am start from there. So yesterday I was read end of this page, so today I was start here. So guys, I am reading now. Word power made easy, 12th page. A test of vocabulary range. Here are 6 brief phrases, each containing one italicized word. It is up to you to find the closest definition of each such word. To keep your score valid, refrain as far as possible from wild guessing. The key will be found at the end of test. Disheveled appearance, untidy, friends, foolish, peculiar, unhappy. A baffling problem, difficult, simple, puzzling, long, new. Lenient, parent, tall, no strict, wise, foolish, server. Repulsive personality, disgusting, attractive, normal, confused, consented. Audacious attempt, useless, bold, foolish, crazy, necessary. Periable, weirdo, fear, expect, invite, ignore. Prevalent disease, dangerous, catching, childhood, fatal, widespread.